my name is Tahira and I'm a professional Oriental dancer based in Poland. And this is TahiraBDD's diary, where I invite you to dive with me into the world of Oriental dance and all its complexities. Let's begin! Hi guys! I would like to welcome you for the first unofficial visit in my home dance studio. As I told you in one of the previous episodes, the making of this studio is connected with an online project which I'm launching on the 1st of September, first in my native language, Polish, and then a little bit later in English. The studio is not ready yet in 100%, but it has all we need for today's instructional episode. So, let's do it! Today, we are coming back to the idea in place or in space. The first episode dealing with this kind of idea was about Masmudi Kabir rhythm, and the link to the video you will have somewhere here, so just click it. And this episode will be dealing with Saidi rhythm in a Saidi manner of dance. And the Saidi rhythm goes like this.
Doom tek, doom doom tek, doom tek, doom doom tek.
Just to be clear about what we are going to do today, here's a quick reminder. We will be working on two kinds of combinations. The first one is in place, focusing on our body and the accents in our body. The second one is in space, focusing on using all the available space. The purpose of this exercise is to make you aware of how many possibilities you have when it comes to rhythm's interpretation. It will help you to think in different ways in order to construct more interesting choreographies. So, let's dance! We will start with the combination in place, dealing with different accents in our body and in general with our body work. And we will start from the hip drop and we will try to catch the Saidi rhythm. So we will go like doom tak, doom doom, and one more time down, tak. So we've got first down up, down down, down. Doom tak, doom doom, tak. Then we make an accent with our free leg, right leg, down, up, down, back. Let's do both of these things. We've got doom tak, doom doom tak, down, up, down, back. And now our right leg is still free. We are going to the front. Front and then back, but once again we are catching the accents. And we've got 1, 2, and backwards 3. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So we've got doom tak, doom doom tak. And then still our right leg is free. We're going with a turn. 1, 2, 3, and a step with the left leg. Let's try to make it together. So we are starting from the hip and we've got doom tak, doom doom tak, doom tak, doom doom tak, doom tak, doom doom tak, doom tak, doom doom tak. And now, right leg is free. We're going to do a Saidi step, both sides starting from the right, of course. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then front and back with a shoulder shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our right leg is still free. Now we want to make camels moving around ourselves. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, right leg is free. We're making 2 accents in the hips. Right, left, and then on the right leg, we make a turn to face with our left side to the front. Let's try once again from the Saidi step. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time from the beginning with the counting, starting with the hip drop. So we go. Dum tak, dum tak. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dum tak, dum tak. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dum tak, dum tak. Now let's make the same combination starting from our left hip, and we will do everything to the left side. So we are starting with the hip strokes. Down, up, down, 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 accent up, accent back. Now we're going to the mirror. 2 accents and 3 accents. 1, 2, 3, and then a turn. 1, 2, 3, and a step. Let's make it one more time. And down, up, down, 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 accent up, accent back, accent, accent. 1, 2, 3, turn, and a step. And now we've got left leg free, so we are going with the Saidi step to the left side. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, then front back with the shoulder shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then around with the common. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 2 hips, starting from the left, left, right, and turn, and we were once again with our right leg free. So let's try to make it one more time with the counting slowly. And dum tak, dum tak. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dum tak, dum tak. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dum tak, dum tak. The second combination will be in space, so we will now try to move a little bit. And we will start with the pas de bourrée step with the right leg. So we go 1, 2, 3, and we finish with a drop. Left leg is free and we go to the back with camels. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, drop, camel, 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 camel. And then left leg is free and we go with a half turn and an accent in our hip. So we got half turn, accent, half turn, accent, and then we make a hip circle, and then we catch two dooms, doom, doom, and make an accent with our leg back. One more time from here. So we've got half turn, accent, half turn, accent, hip circle with a turn, doom, doom, hop. Let's repeat it once again from the padabura. And 1, 2, 3, drop, camel, 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 half circle, accent, hips, and doom, doom, hop. We finish with the right leg free and we make a cross step. So we got cross, accent in a hip, cross, accent in a hip, and then we turn, catch the accent once and twice, doom, doom, hop, we are here, and then with the right leg we are going back to lift the left leg. And now we're making two twists, twist, twist, and then with the right leg we're going back, we cross and then turn. And we should finish with our left leg free. Let's make it one more time from here. So now we're starting with the cross. Cross, accent, cross, accent, accent, turn, doom, doom, turn, left, up, twist, twist, back, cross, and turn. Right? Let's make it one more time slowly from the beginning. So we start with the right leg in the padabura. 1, 2, 3, drop. Camel, 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 half circle, accent, hips, circle, doom, doom, tap. Cross, accent, one accent, hop, two accents, hop, left, up, twist, twist, back, cross, and turn. And now we are repeating everything to the left side. So let's try it also slowly. We're starting from the left leg and we 1, 2, 3, drop. Now two camels to the back. Camel, 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 camel. Then half circle, accent, hips, and doom, doom, tuck. Now we've got the cross. Cross, accent, one accent, turn, two accents, turn. Now right leg up, twist, twist. Now left, cross, turn, and right leg is again free. Let's try it one more time slowly. From the padabura. 1, 2, 3, drop. Camel, 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 half, accent, hips, and doom, doom, tuck. Cross, accent, one, turn, two, turn, right, up, twist, twist, left, cross, turn. As you see, the first combination is completely different from the second one. In the first one, which was in place, we are focused on our body work, on changing the weight of our bodies, and also on catching all the accents present in the music. In the second combination, which was in space, we are focusing on using the space, on implementing some traveling steps, and on thinking in different directions. Of course, the perfect solution is to mix both of these ideas into your dance in order to create really interesting and diverse choreographies. I hope that you liked those combinations and the idea in place or in space. And if you want to know more about the Saidi dance, here's a previous episode of TahiraBDD Diary dealing with this style of folklore. And if you like this episode, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with the new episodes of TahiraBDD Diary. I also encourage you to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and my Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And I hope also to see you here next week for the next episode of TahiraBDD Diary. See you! And we will start with a hit drop. Hit drop, TahiraBDD Diary. Daily.